it's Kane Weather here. Today we're talking about the severe weather and tornadoes in parts of the southern United States today, including tornadoes, mainly tornadoes. We have a tornado watch in effect and a tornado warning already in effect for parts of Alabama, the Panhandle of Florida, and Georgia. We have tornado watches already in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. And yes, we're going to be seeing lots of severe weather here overnight tonight. And tomorrow we're going to be seeing some more severe weather in parts of the Northeast. I'm going to be talking about both of these in today's video. I'm going to give you the risk for today, the tornado risk for today, and I'm going to show you the future models to know exactly when and where the storms will be at your area at what time. Coming up in today's video, so stay tuned. But before we get into that, we start off with the tornado watches that are in effect until midnight tonight. Yes, this is a very serious situation. We could be seeing some tornadoes tonight. So yes, as you can see, this is their National Weather Service website, and here is the tornado watches in effect. As you can see, definitely includes Panama City, includes lots of areas here. Albany, Georgia also included. We just have a tornado watch until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. Now let's get to the risks. So this is the National Storm Protection Center's risk for today. As you can see, it is only a slight risk, but I do think they could bump this up to a enhanced risk. I do think that is necessary because we're seeing lots of tornadoes, so this should be an enhanced risk. But yes, it is a slight risk for today, as you see, including Mobile and a pretty small area, but definitely including that. And we have another slight risk up in the north here, but definitely seeing less tornadoes in that area, but could see some severe weather today in that area too. Now let's get to the tornado risk. As you can see, yes, this is definitely necessary. We do have a 5% tornado risk here, so this is a pretty high tornado risk. Definitely 5% tornado risk. That is definitely a pretty high tornado risk, like I said, but includes 1 million people. Near 1 million people need to be on alert for tornadoes, and that's just the 2%. That's the 5%. That's not even the 2%. So that's a lot of people who need to be weather aware and look out for tornadoes. Don't mute your phone tonight because this can be an overnight situation. We're going to see more tornado warnings pop up, and definitely be weather aware. And if you're in any of these 2% even, definitely be prepared for a tornado warning. So this is the wind outlook. As you can see, it's pretty low. So I'm going to go to the hail. And so we're not going to be seeing as much wind and hail, but definitely seeing some storms pop up. And as you can see, we do have a 5% wind threat over here near where we're going to see the severe weather. Now let's move on to tomorrow's threat, which is not in the area that we're talking about today, but definitely could see even more severe weather tomorrow for parts of New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maryland, and surrounding area, and parts of southern New York. Definitely included an enhanced risk tomorrow. Baltimore, Washington also included in this. Definitely need to be weather aware, and definitely because we could see some tornadoes. An enhanced risk is issued, and that includes 16 million people included in that tomorrow. So definitely you need to be on alert. 16 million people included. Includes Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Arlington, Virginia, and Alexandria, and also included on this enhanced risk. Now let's move on to the tornado risk tomorrow, which I think they should upgrade this. There's currently no tornado risk in this area where we see that enhanced risk. I definitely think at least it should be updated to a 2% risk. I think a 2% risk is necessary, but they don't have any, so they think they should update it to a 2%. But let's go ahead and take a look here at the wind, and you see a pretty high wind threat. This is one of going to be our biggest concerns here. Pretty high wind threat for tomorrow, as you can see in that area, same area as the enhanced risk. And then the hail threat is pretty low, so we might see more wind than hail. Definitely move anything inside that you don't want to be blown away or blown over. But that is the risk. Now let's get to the future models on today. So this is the future models on today. As you can see, we start off, we're already seeing some heavy rain in parts of Florida and tornado warnings issued. So this is going to be a dangerous situation. And you see, we go up on tonight, so this is about 5 o'clock tonight, so this is a few hours away. Still seeing those heavy rain, and we see it really kind of intensify at this point. It's about 6 o'clock, and then we kind of see it just calm down a little bit, but still see, notice how it's a small area, but we still see that purple here at about midnight. So definitely could see still some tornadoes and severe weather along with this. And then we time this out a little bit further, and it really just kind of calms down. And we're still seeing some rain at about 10 o'clock tomorrow, but it's way less severe. And then we're kind of see it move out of the area. We're seeing really scattered thunderstorms after this, but definitely not as severe as the other day before that. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you like weather-related videos, again, tornado watch in effect until midnight tonight. So definitely be weather aware. But if you have any weather questions, don't forget to comment that down below and I should be able to answer them. But stay safe, stay weather aware, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!